Good morning, traders, and this is your S&P 500 day trade setup for today. So we have ended up with an inside bar on the daily, but still is a higher low. So if you look at these bars here, it could very well be a triangle forming. Okay, if we look at the 3 hour, at the moment we are above this range bar. You can see there's my range bar there. And it's been pretty much green since, well, part of the close, just going into close yesterday. This is still, in my view, a bit of a flag. Okay, so obviously I'd want to see us break above that upward trend line for us to continue with this move. This is a very strong move to the upside, so I don't expect this to be anything more than just a consolidation, and it is a consolidation at a level. You can see there's our level there. Okay, there's our swing high there, there's a swing low just over there. So we've got that zone, and that's pretty much where we are playing around in. Okay, so I still believe we are aiming for, firstly, that area there, which is 3563. And if we get through there, then we're looking for the all-time high and possibly a breakthrough up there. It is earnings season. We've got a lot of noise in the market at the moment around the vaccines as well, which I suspect that's what put this into a bit of a tailspin yesterday. But that's a situation that I see at the moment. Okay, you can see how messy this was on the hour. We can adjust this a little bit better there. And then there. Okay, so that's our channel. We broke it to downside, rejected, tried to get below it, and then gave up. So right now we're coming up to the top of the channel. So a break above a 3529 and a retest gets an opportunity long, but then you're going to head straight into resistance again at 3537. So we need to get above that at the same time. So looking at the hour, this trend is definitely to the upside. Now, the one thing that you need to bear in mind here is that was a 730 point move on Monday. Then we had pretty much a 350 move down. So that's a 50% retracement. Okay, if I use the Fibonacci here from there's Monday. Okay, so you can see we came right back onto 61.8 of the previous day's bar. Okay, so that has some relevance. It is a Fibonacci sequence and it is well respected. So for me, I think this channel is the next thing that we want to see go. If the channel does break, we're looking for a move up back onto this trend line here, and that would be opportunities to buy if you didn't buy down the bottom here. Okay, so that's kind of my view at the moment. You probably find that the 15 minutes is going to frustrate you like everything else that we've looked at today. Very messy yesterday, you can see here. But if you look at the context here, there is an area of pretty solid support, and it was turned into resistance here. We're now above it. So if these areas kind of hold, I would expect a push above this channel. Okay, so there are some earnings coming out today, and I think if we just have a quick look at that, just to see if there's anything that we need to watch out for. So there are a few banks coming out. Bank of America is coming out, which is one of them. United Health is also coming out. And I suppose those are the two sizable ones. And Wells and Fargo as well, Goldman Sachs. So there's a few, quite a few banks that'll be coming out this year. We've also got another airline, United Airline. That's going to be a negative result. So I think, yeah, it's going to be volatile. Be prepared for that. But this channel for me is what I'm watching. This channel does give, we've got a pretty good move to the upside. And realistically, you look at this solid move up. So consolidating, bit of confusion, sellers, buyers, all confused. So I just don't see it falling much further than where we are at the moment. This area here, although there's nothing there, seems to be holding up quite nicely. We just need an 8-hour close above, what is the high here, 35.26. So if we get an 8-hour close above 35.26, going to validate this pin bar, higher low, higher high, and then I would expect a continuation up. Okay, and remember, there is your first target. Okay, 35.70. Okay, anyway guys, hope it helps, and we'll catch up with you later. Cheers for now.